Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to tie a slip knot, which is the starting knot for most crochet patterns. I'm going to be using 4-weight yarn in this video, and I'm going to go through the process a few times. So first, you're going to take your cut end of your yarn, and I like to leave a nice little tail of extra, and you're going to drape it across your palm of your left hand so that the cut end is at the top. Then you're going to fold these bottom two fingers in and take the string and wrap it back around your fingers and over, making an X on your fingers. Then you're going to take your crochet hook, go under this first stitch, and grab the second piece of yarn, making sure that you don't pull the tail through the loop that you just made. You're going to slide the knot off your fingers and pull both ends of the string, and now you have a slip knot. And if you mess up at all on your slip knot, or if you want to redo it, you just pull both of the ends and it comes right out. So to go through it again, you take the cut end of your string, you drape it across your palm so that it's going from bottom to top with the cut end at the top. You're going to fold these bottom two fingers in, wrap the string around so it makes an X. Take your crochet hook, go under the first loop, hook this piece of yarn, the second piece, pull it through the loop, making sure that the string doesn't come all the way through. Then slide it off your fingers and tighten it to your hook. And this is where you're going to start your crochet stitches. If you want to avoid worrying about pulling the string through your loop, just use a little more yarn when you make your slip knot, so you'll leave a little bit longer of a tail. You wrap it around, and now that it's a longer piece of string, you don't really have to worry about accidentally pulling it through this knot here. So you pull it off your fingers and you tighten it to your hook. Thanks for watching.